So, Arnold, hey, let's go this way. Hey, we're going this way. Ah. Arnold's going down the walk. Come on. Get on. Oh, Ash down. Oh, look, the flowers ruined. Okay, come on. We're stopping and going. Poor dog with his curly tail. Curl, curl, curl. Better be perfect. I'm kidding. Oh, God. Little Joker there. Ooh, ew. Turn. Hey, turn. Go. There you go. Check him. I thought you were jogging. Hey, stop it. Hey. Ah! Uh-oh. Okay, now it's on fire. Are you smoke up in here? Oh. Ready, Ernie? Let's jog. Come on. Let's jog. Jog. Come on. It's gonna be sad. Something on fire at the same time. It's just like a block away. Yeah, there's probably something on. Jump up. Hey, jump up. Jump up the rock. Ah! Look at all those ants. Look at them. Blocking the sunlight, dog. Like all over. My mom ran one over. Oh, dog! Ow. Oh, they're all almost tripped me. Okay. I'm okay. Come on, Ernie. Bob. Bob. Me and Ernie are gonna go around the block. We'll just walk down the street then. Okay, bye. What? Huh? I'm not making him run. Go. God, dog. Walk over. Lazy dog. You're like stuck. You're one lazy dog. You are a lazy dog, you know that, right? Walk on, pee on him. Really? Yeah, we'll let you go. Okay, come on. Come on. Arnold. Funny. Funny dog. Funny. Funny dog. Funny. I wouldn't wish. I would like to poop all over Mavis' collar. Yeah, because no one likes her, right? Right. Yeah, right. Arnold, am I right? Yes, I am. Matter of fact, I am. Go. Arnie, you suck at walking. You, like, walk very slow. Like, very slow. Whoa! Yeah! Oh, hey. Watch it, boy. chatting on the walk. And there's the dog. Pig. Pig. That was like a pumpkin. Oh wow. God, there's a car. There's a car. That car almost hit me. Almost hit me, guys. Arnie, it almost hit you. Wait, actually, it almost hit me. Bird poop. Look at that, guys. Bird poop. Not a very good sight. Come on. Arnold, you just suck at going on walks. Arnold, you're not going in that driveway. Look at that driveway. It's like, I don't know, it's like big back. God, there's birds all over the place. They scare me. They're like, I don't know. Arnie, do you have something to say? Oh, you don't? Okay, crying scene. Come on, let's turn. Hey, let's turn. You're one lazy dog. We have to go, like, you have to go pee or something? I wish this dog could skateboard. Awesome. Oh, oops. Don't you wish, Arnie, you could just, like, stay on a skateboard? You're scared of rolling stuff. Like, I throw a ball at you, or try to catch it, but once it, like, stops rolling, you'll sit there and look at me like I did something wrong. Yeah, you will. Don't act stupid. I know everything you do. You did with me. You're a dog. You're funny with a dog with your ears flapping. Flap, flap, flap. Hey. Hey, dog. Dog. You're dog. My cat attacked my dog. You know that, right, guys? Yeah, because she'll attack humans. She'll actually attack humans. It's me. I have, like, scratches all over my legs. And watch. Next thing you know, the house will be burning down from the cat. We'll take like a match and light it, and then the house will be gone. That cat will ride this dog like a horse. Come on, Ernie. Go! Oh, look at your tongue. It's so big and long and, I don't know. Should we get this collar off? Oh! You like eat air. Say hi, Arnie. Don't poop on your butt. Arnie, say hi. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Ooh, a moth. Look at that moth. Oh, I can't see it anymore. I know. Ew. Arnold, get out of the way. Hey, no one wants to see your butt. Get over here. I bought you. Well, no, actually my mother did, but hey. Stop in the grass, you sheep. You're not a sheep, you're a dog. Pug. Hey. I know! Stop eating the grass! You're not a sheep! Hey, stop eating the grass! You're not a sheep! Do you think this dog is sheep? Well, that dog right there, do you think Arnie's a sheep? Oh, he's peeing. Pee, 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 pee. I want to find a giant spider. Oh, I think I see one. Oh, that's just a leaf. You gross. Spider webs. Ow! Okay, let's go. Arnie, you don't belong here in the jungle. Ooh, strawberries. We need to water them more. Okay. The adventures of, I don't know. Oh God, a dandelion. Scary water. Water, there's water. Oh my God. A trap that my cat set. If I walked right there, I would have died. Beetle, look at that thing. Beetle, oh, it's beetle wing. Leave him on. Leave him on that night. Okay. Oh, there's one guy. Oh, there's prickly plants. Scary me, there's a bunch of moths in my backyard. See there? See, like, let it land. Okay. Backyard. See you guys. Bye.